Hi everyone, it's David from Hipshipper. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your eBay store with AutoDS to Hipshipper and enable shipping to international customers. First, you need to have your eBay store connected with AutoDS. Next, you'll need to open and log in to your eBay store and leave that tab open. Next, we'll have to go to hipshipper.com and click Start. It's free to create our user. Make sure to use the correct email address because you will receive a code to that address. Once done, click the Create Account button. This is what this email would look like. You will need this code. Once back to the Hipshipper website, it will ask you for the code. Since I've already done this step, I'm just going to click on Login. Once logged in, we'll go to Settings and choose Marketplace Accounts. We'll click on the Add Marketplace Account button and select the platform with which we're going to connect. In this case, it's eBay. I've already inserted my shop's name. Then I'll click Authorize on eBay. When I do that, it's going to take me to the eBay website and ask me to log in to make sure that I have the right to make these changes. Once logged in, it's going to ask me to confirm that I wish to allow the Hipshipper API to be installed. Agree, and it's going to take me back to Hipshipper. We're not done just yet. There's one more step. We'll need to add the Hipshipper extension. In this case, it shows Firefox extension because I'm using the Firefox browser. Click on that. Allow the extension to be installed if requested. And once done, you'll see that a new extension or add-on has been added to your browser. Click on that. And as long as you're already logged into eBay and Hipshipper, it will show you the name of the store, or if you have more than one store, it will show you a list. Select the store you want to set the settings to and click the Configure button. Here you have three options that you can select. I'll give you a quick explanation on each. The profit percentage allows you to add some profit in addition to whatever you make on the selling of the item from the international shipping. For example, if we set the profit percent to 5%, the buyer will be charged 5% more for each international shipment, and that 5% will actually go to your pocket. Next, you're able to choose whether you wish to allow Hipshipper to do the shipping to the US protectorates or not. The US protectorates include countries like Alaska, Hawaii, Puerto Rico, and such. Many of the suppliers like Amazon actually have the ability to ship to those destinations, so in which case you would not need Hipshipper to do that for you. But if you do not have such a solution, you should check this button and allow Hipshipper to do the shipping for you. Lastly, the free returns insurance. This option actually affects the price of shipping, as turning this option on means the buyer will pay a little more for the shipping in order to give you insurance in case they need to return the item. And if the item needs to be returned, Hipshipper will handle the return. Once you've selected and set all your settings, simply click on Setup and make sure not to click on anything else on the browser or outside the browser just to allow it time to finish the process. You will see that the process takes a few seconds and we're done. Once you click OK, you're back to point one. You need to just actually go to the Hipshipper website and make sure that your account status says either active or indicates that it's currently processing. Once this is done, Hipshipper will scan all the listings on your eBay store and will mark all the eligible listings and add the international shipping settings to them. This process takes up to 24 hours, so please allow it time to finish the process. But we still need to make sure that AutoDS knows that it's connected to Hipshipper. For that, we'll go back to AutoDS, find the Settings option, and under the actual supplier settings, for example, Amazon, we'll switch to the Orders tab and then check the Hipshipper box. Make sure to click Save, and you're all set. Once a new international order is placed on your eBay account, The order will also be created automatically on your Hipshipper account, which you can see in the International Orders page. Once done, and Hipshipper is finished scanning your listings and modifying them, you'll actually see that the listing has the option to ship abroad. If we go and look for it and view it on eBay, as the customer would, you will see under shipping and payment that the listing has all these options for shipping. Now, if you add new listings to your eBay store, Hipshipper will scan those and again mark the eligible items for international shipping. You will need to do nothing else other than just list the items. That's it. Hope it was clear enough. And if not, you're always welcome to go to the Hipshipper website, click on the support page, and open a ticket and ask us whatever you need. We'll be happy to assist. Have a great day.